Hey everybody, just thought I'd show you a little box. You've probably seen them before, but they're quite handy. The Stanley Sortmaster. These boxes are good because you can actually buy numerous ones of these and they actually will clip on top of each other. So if you had another box you would sit it on there, and the little levers in the bottom of the box, this little section down here, you'd sit the box on top, and as you snap that over it locks them together. So quite handy for carrying about. You can have sort of 2 or 3 boxes together, grab the middle handle, and nice and easy to move about. So these are quite handy for separating your various stuff. Like, so I've dedicated this one basically to my plumbing equipment. So got my various, I did have like sort of 2 little boxes with all different stuff mixed up in there. So just got a few various fittings in here and my tools, and I can grab this box, and apart from the blow lamp I've pretty well got everything I need here. So you could buy another box, stick it on top if you wanted to have all your various sort of different types of fittings. I've got a few bits and pieces, some 90-degree compression fittings, isolation valves, and a few straight couplings. So quite handy for just organising everything. And what I've been out and bought after me pipe in the outhouse breaking that I'm going to be fitting is 15mm full bore lever valve, and then when the weather does get really bad in the future I'll actually shut the water off to the outhouse just to be that little bit safer. So these valves are good as in they are the full 15mm diameter, so you're not losing any water pressure, whereas with these standard isolation valves it's a 15mm fitting, but as you can see inside the actual diameter reduces significantly. That's probably only about actually 8mm centre to them. You can get these now in full bore as well, though obviously they're a little bit chunkier, but depending on what the application is, whether it matters if you lose a little bit of water pressure or not. So I'm just about to go and look at fitting this in the kitchen. So I just thought I'd play safe after having that leak. At least I know I will be able to isolate it if it gets really cold and not have to worry about that potentially happening again. Alright, catch you later.